Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you all are fine, good, cool and having chill. So first, subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorial and vlogs, and turn your bell icon for getting the notification of my next video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie Yamani style turban with Shemag. So let's start this tutorial right now.
Just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years no calls, now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover.
As good as the day I met you, I forgot just why I left you. It was insane. Say, play that Blink 182 song. That we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks my heart. We moved to the city and I broke down my 4 years no calls, you know, looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop.
So guys, I'm back here. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. And till my next tutorial or vlog, Allah Hafiz.